Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneur Class channel. In today's video, we're going to look at 9 best membership platform in 2025 that you can use to build a successful membership site. The 9 best membership platform in 2025 review. There are many list of membership platform, but we have carefully selected some of the membership platforms that we believe can help you to build a successful membership site. And the first 5 on the list are Mighty Networks, Laneworld, ThinkFic, Teachable, and ClickFunnels. These are the first 5 or best 5 membership site platform where you can choose to build a successful membership and online course training program. So let's look at this. Here is the summary top best membership site platform for 2025. ThinkFic, best membership site for course creator. Learnworld, best for company educator creator, etc. Teachable, best membership platform for online courses. Then we have School, best community platform. We have ClickFunnels, best website membership software. It's specifically created or designed to build a sales funnel, online courses, and membership site. Then the next one is Mighty Network, best community membership site software. So let's look at the future of each one of these platform. The first one is MightyJet. It's the best membership site platform and community application. Best all-in-one membership site platform. MightyJet is one of the best membership site software for creating free and paid membership sites. So you can create a website, you can create online course and membership site with your brand and make them available on both web and online mobile application. Then the second one is School. We have School. School, if you want to create a membership using the best community platform, that you can consider School. School is one of the best community platform. It's allowing anyone to create a community of like-minded people and share their experience and skills. If you want to build a networking of related people in the same business with you, you want to gather people together just like a Facebook group, then School is the best option for you. Then the third one is ThinkFic. ThinkFic is another online course platform where you can build online course, create a membership site, and so on. But it's specifically created or designed to create and sell online courses. Then the fourth one is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is all-in-one membership and marketing platform. You can use ClickFunnels to create, sell, and grow and build your online business. Then the fifth one on the list is OptimizePress. OptimizePress is a membership platform for WordPress. It's a plugin that you can use to create a membership, to also to sell an online course. So if you want to use WordPress to build your membership site, then OptimizePress is one of the best plugin you can use. Then the next one is Teachable. Teachable is the best membership site for online course creator. Teachable is excellent for content creator, entrepreneurs, and educator. If you want to create online courses or also build a membership site, then you want to check Teachable. Teachable is well known in online when it comes to online course platform, just like ThinkFic and also School for community platform. So the next one is Membership Space. Membership Space is another membership platform that build and sell membership and digital products. You can not only build a membership site or membership space, you can also use it to sell your digital products. So you can also build a website, you can sell digital products, you can sell membership plans, and so on. Then the one on the list is Podia. Podia is just also another online course platform that you can use to design membership site and also to sell online course. So these are the best membership site platform you can use in 2025 to create membership site, to sell online course, or to build a community of like-minded people who are in the same niche with you, who are in the same business with you, to network your online business and create more awareness for your brand. So if you are looking for the best membership site platform, then don't forget, select among the best 9 that I have listed here, but the best overall is ThinkFic. ThinkFic is an online course platform for creating, marketing, and selling courses and membership sites. It integrates with some payment gateway. All the platform here also integrate with payment gateways, but if you want to select one, I advise you to start with a ThinkFic. The second best option that I would like you to start with is LearnWorld. LearnWorld is mainly for advanced for membership site for suitable for coaching, content creator, customer training, enterprises, LMS, finance, and etc. So don't forget to click the link in the description of this video to get access to this page where you can read more about the 9 best membership site platform in 2025. We shall wish you this video if this video has helped you. Don't forget to like my channel and also to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video to get related content like this. I will be providing more video on this type of platform that can really help you to select the best membership site platform to start and grow your membership site in 2025. Don't forget, click the link below to get access to this page. And if you want to choose one that is best suit your membership site, I advise you to start with ThinkFic. Then the second one is LearnWorld. So wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.